Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Check your device IP, gateway, and DNS so you know the baseline. Once done, restart the modem and router and wait 60 to 90 seconds to clear cached errors. Next, run ping to the gateway and then to 8. This shows if packets leave your network. If pings fail, record the error messages. They guide the next steps. Make sure to work on a wired device first to eliminate Wi-Fi variables. Now you dig deeper. Physically inspect Ethernet cables and port LEDs. A loose cable or amber light means trouble. Once comfortable, log into the router to review DHCP leases, MAC filters, and recent events. These explain blocked devices or IP conflicts. Run ipconfig or ifconfig, then traceroute to the destination to locate the hop that drops packets. Restart the device's network service or adapter to force a fresh lease. This sequence isolates whether the fault is local, router, or upstream. Finish by applying targeted fixes. Renew the DHCP lease, reinstall or reset the network adapter, update router firmware, or swap any damaged cables. Once done, verify by pinging the gateway and external IPs, running traceroute, and loading a web page. Also test with another device to confirm scope. If the issue persists, capture router logs and timestamps, then contact your ISP with that evidence for escalation. One key troubleshooting tip: try a factory reset only after backing up settings because it clears custom configs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.